How to disable or enable the online statue on Fiverr. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to disable or enable the online statue on Fiverr. So the first thing we do is we go to Fiverr app, and as you can see we are on Fiverr. Now you click here on account, and here is the show online statue. You can enable it so people can see you online, and if you want people to see you offline, you can disable it as this. And that's it for today's video, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Thank you so much.